Hey, welcome back, surf fishing fans. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I go about building a sand spike that I use for surf fishing for pompano, whiting, 100-pound tarpon, medium-sized sharks. You can even disassemble it and take it with you on a commercial airliner. I'm going to show you step by step how I do it, and I'm going to give you a hardware list of what I'm going to use. But right now I'm sitting here in the parking lot of a local grocery store. Wife gave me a list of things for me to pick up. I got the list right here. Let's see, there's 4 things. There's 4 things on this list. While you're watching this video, I'm going to go in there and get those 4 things for her, and I'll catch back up with you. Well, here's the finished product. I like to paint mine bright colors. I use bright duct tape. The duct tape just helps secure it a little bit and holds the nut on my eye bolt. The bright colors are just for joggers and walkers so they can see it. The eye bolt, I put it at whatever depth you want. It's just for the buttstock of your surf rod. I cut this at a 45-degree angle. I just think the surf rod comes out a little bit easier. And I leave about a 1/4 inch gap here at the top. So when I drive this in with my mallet, I'm hitting the aluminum, not the PVC. Down here, I got a mark 16 inches from the bottom, because you're supposed to drive your sand spike about 1/3 of its length into the sand. And where this is 48 inches divided by 3 is 16 inches. So it's a pretty simple build. I tried to show you step by step how I do it. I showed you the hardware I was using. I made a video, the last video I made, called Surf Fishing on Vacation. It shows you how I take that sand spike, on a commercial airliner. But I'm back from my shopping trip. And I'm pretty sure I nailed it. Just to show you how well I did, I got my list back out. Number 1 thing, milk. A gallon of milk. Well, it's a ½ gallon, but I got milk. I'm still good. Next thing, sandwich bread. Oh boy, I got garlic bread. I don't know. Next thing, bananas. Yikes. I got grapes. I'm afraid I'm not even close on that one. And last, tomatoes. And I got green peppers. Well, I was going fishing tonight, but it doesn't look like I'll be going. But hey, as always, take somebody fishing with you so they can enjoy this awesome sport of ours. I won't be going. But hey, until next time, I'm Mr. Dave.